Well, for me, actually, the social side was quite important. That's why I chose to go for campus university rather than city university. I felt like a campus university has a stronger sense of society.
Social life was really important to me. I wanted to make sure that I was able to become really involved with student societies and make lots of friends.
So for me, the academic side, the accommodation, the campus community spirit was more important when I was looking at university. But now that I'm here, I do think that it's nice to have your friends. So whether those friends are people that you go out clubbing with, or they're your friends from your sports society, or you're in a game society and you just have very chilled nights together, I think it is nice to find people that you get on well with.
There is one nightclub in the university, which is very good. There's a few bars you can socialize. So for social life, it's out there. If you want to do it, you can.
I like the balance between the social side and the educational side of Warwick. So it's a very nice balance. There is a lot of things to do, a lot of extracurricular activities.
And I think the key thing that convinced me to go to Warwick in the end is the fact that there are over 250 societies at Warwick. So if you have a specific interest or a hobby, chances are there will be a society for it.
Although I did know that I'm not much of a party animal, and so even though I was sure that there'd be lots of freshers events and clubs and societies going on, I didn't want to be part of lots of clubbing. So even though I'm like that and a lot of young people like to club and things, if you're more like me, that's completely fine. And I know that I've made loads of friends through other different societies that don't involve drinking or clubbing. So there's always something for you, and it was really important for me actually.